Here's how to replace the ink cartridges in your HP Deskjet 2710/2320 printer. Make sure you have a new ink cartridge compatible with your printer. You can find the correct cartridge model number in your printer's manual or by searching online using your printer model number. Make sure the printer is plugged in and powered on. Open the top cover, the one that provides access to the ink cartridges, and wait for the carriage, the holder that moves the ink cartridges, to move to the center position. It might take a few seconds. Remove the used cartridge. Gently press down on the cartridge you want to replace until it unlocks. Then, pull the cartridge towards you to remove it from its slot. Take out the new ink cartridge from its packaging. Carefully remove the protective tape using the pull tab. Be careful not to touch the copper-colored contacts or the ink nozzles on the cartridge. Slide the new cartridge into the empty slot at a slight angle, matching the color with the slot. Black cartridge goes on the right, color cartridge goes on the left. Gently push the cartridge up until it clicks into place. The printer might automatically initialize the new cartridges, which could involve some whirring sounds and movements. Print an alignment page, if prompted. The printer might prompt you to print an alignment page to ensure the new cartridges are properly installed. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the alignment process. That's it. You should now be able to print with your HP Deskjet 2710/2320 printer using the new ink cartridges.